Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow competitor is speaking. We have an announcement on Dogecoin. The title may suggest that the market has breaking out. One of the two. Let me I'll briefly explain what breakout means for those who may be a little unsure about what a breakout is. So we'll get into that. And I'm also going to let you know the levels where, believe it or not, we would like to enter the market on Dogecoin. Yeah, we'd like to enter the market. All right, so all those details in this video, we're going to show you a breakthrough line, the higher lows, the lower highs. We're getting to it, guys. You'll see it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we're only going over price action. All right, so let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's June the 25th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 23 cents, slightly negative, approximately 9%. For the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the chart. All right, there it is. Now, let me just explain everything. So the breakout. Okay, let me just explain that. Some are saying Dogecoin is not breaking out. You're a liar. Let me just explain to you what breakout is. Breakouts consist of breaking out of a pattern or breaking out of a resistance level, or actually a support level. So just a very brief explanation what a breakout is, okay? Just for those who don't understand. If you know, sorry, I just got to go through it really quickly. If it's a sideways consolidation and it's consolidating within a range, support, resistance, and it breaks down below the support level, that's a breakout, okay? If it finds support and it breaks out above the resistance level, that is a breakout. Now, in this case, we only have a resistance descending line. If you see this red line here, that's just a descending line right there, holding the price down, of course, until the breakout. If we get a close in up here, it appears that the market has broken out of the descending line of resistance. Now, where we would ideally like to enter the market on Dogecoin, we may never get this opportunity, but we'd like to enter at 17 cents. The 13-cent red line here is just simply representing the stop out. We're taking a 22% risk to the downside if we're able to enter the market at about 17 cents. And that's how we would like to play the market. Now, I understand long-term investors, guys. What I do is I swing the market. I've actually said we wouldn't even buy into Dogecoin. However, we have buy signals going off, so we are executing our strategies in the market soon. Within 48 hours, you'll know. Hopefully, you're subscribed. You'll get like a post letting you guys know that we've entered. Or, of course, if we haven't, then we wouldn't send out any notification. All right. But within 48 hours, we'll know whether or not we are going to enter the market in Dogecoin. But you have the level, our ideal entry, 17 cents. You have our stop out, 13 cents. Let's go over this very briefly. And now let's just say, short video. Let's say that, I'm somewhat on the right track. And by the way, this is a financial advice, guys. I'm not saying go out and buy Dogecoin. Just because I'm buying doesn't mean the market is actually going to go up. Okay. The HL, let's explain what that means very briefly here. So the higher low is just measuring the wick of this daily candle on April the 23rd, 2021. The lowest level wicks at 15 cents. And this clustered area over here where it says HL, which is a higher low. The lowest level at a wick is going to be at about 16 cents. So technically speaking, it is a higher low. Now what Dogecoin needs to do is fight to make a higher high, because of course the highest point here at about 69.74 cents. We got a lower high here, of course a lower high here. So at the very minimum, in order to turn around this nasty trend down, actually the market has been suffering at this red line, it needs to make a higher high than the previous high. This lower high you see right here, it's at about, believe it or not, 41 cents. Okay, we've been talking about that level for some time. So if you see any price fluctuations, the time frame on this, let's give the market, for starters, let's give it about, let's see, like 19 days from the green candle here. So let's say give it until July the 11th. Let's see how the market is behaving by July the 11th, whether it's going to continue higher here or if it's going to go down a little bit more. Guys, I'm expecting the market to move down a little bit. I don't chase markets, although it's a really nice down day today. I mean, I don't want to see why it wouldn't be a issue to enter here, but I like for the markets to come to me, okay? But I'm very tempted to enter here. So 17 cents. So although the thumbnail suggests breakout, we're expecting the market to move a little bit lower. So if you see the markets moving lower, guys, that's what we're expecting, okay? 17 cents. All right. You have the stop out July the 11th. Let's see how the market is behaving, if it's going to make like some sort of cup formation that I just put on the chart. And just understand that if the market moves higher, even if you see Dogecoin up like 20%, hey Napoleon, let's get an update. I'll give you guys an update, but just understand we are looking for one thing, okay? A higher high than the previous high, 41 cents. All right, and I'm not saying it's going to happen by July the 11th. What I'm saying is allow the markets to, whether it's going to continue lower, let it continue lower. If it stays above 17 cents, that's fine. If it's like July the 5th, you're like, Napoleon, what's going on, man? We need an update. July 5th, it's all the way at 17 cents, man. It's crashing down. What's going on? No, guys. If it's above 17 cents, let it play out. Wait until the July the 11th. I'll give you guys an update before then. But what I'm looking for is some sort of cup formation to develop if the market will not continue on the very next days following here in the short term, okay? So just give the market time, okay? Let the sellers do what they're going to do, okay? And the buyers will simply be intercepting the price here, hopefully, right, in the short term. And that's basically all I'm looking for, okay? So you guys have the time frame, you have the ideal entry, and you have what must take place in order to see a true turnaround, 41 cents, okay? All right, I don't want to be too repetitive, guys, so that's all I have for this video. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the army, give them the levels. Also, if you're new, we covered the traditional stocks. If you're into that, 7 days a week. So kind of join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send you that information when it is available, okay? Remember, guys, keep a level head, okay? You have the levels, all right? You have all the information you need, all right? Dogecoin, it looks just fine to me. Just understand the levels. All right. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies. And bye for now.